Woo! What's going on, my G's? Today's a great day because I just came back from the doctor. I had like a full body scan and shit, and it turns out what I thought was a tumor is just a cyst. It's just a fatty cyst. Thank God. So I feel like I was reborn, and right now I just want to go get some delicious to eat, and I heard that Chick-fil-A has breakfast, and I'm gonna see if Buddy and Farshad are down. And also, I want to go buy that S2000 from Avi so that I can give away to my pro members because I fucking love you guys. Thank you for your support. Avi's got an S2000 for us. We gotta go check it out and see what he's gonna do to it, and I think we're gonna add some swipe design wheels on it because I fucking love you guys. Thank you. Today's a great day, by the way. See you soon. Pay for this one because this is my I'm not dying meal for you guys. So
we should have a better meal than that. No, I want a better meal than that. No.
Also, by the way, I don't know if you guys know, but we just went to Mexico and we didn't have any time to shoot anything. But we literally sent out Ivan and Sergio to just shoot B-roll, and this is what they came up with. We're Chick-fil-A'd up, Fargini. We're gonna eat it at Avi's, right?
By the way, the guy who holds it gets to pick off the fries from the top.
No. Damn it! And also, we didn't buy anything for Avi.
Or his brother Joseph.
You're buying a car from him. He's fine.
Oh, hey!
Fine, you're buying a car from him.
Thank you, buddy. But still, be always polite.
Why are you eating that shit?
But here's the thing.
Oh, you don't eat that shit? Oh, yeah, you're on a diet. We knew that. That's why we didn't bring you.
Here's the thing. We didn't buy you anything because we totally forgot, and we're gonna eat this in your office. But
Totally
we
fine.
may buy something else from you today, right?
Yes.
That kind of makes up for it.
Lunch was delicious, and I think it's time to look at this thing. Avi, what's the fucking story with this beauty? How'd you get it? What's the year? What's going on? What are you gonna do to it?
02, two owners, 140,000 miles,
Jesus.
but original. Everything is original paint. Just the bumper I have to redo.
Yeah.
It was scratched. It wasn't that bad. Just so you know, I did it myself. I repaired it myself. It was scratched up here. That's
Okay.
it. The original paint, everything.
It looks so good from here. It looks like a snake. Right?
Is this really happening? Like we're getting
It is. This is our car, right, Avi? This is our car?
Oh, Avi, this is ours, right?
Even though it says vehicle not ready for sale, this is our car.
Hey, that's a good sign, though. That's a good sign.
This is the gold.
Ooh.
You see all this stock? See all the bolts? Everything has never been turned. Even look at this number.
Oh, so look, guys. If you want to look at an S2000, you want to make sure.
And everything.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you have that intact. That's the VIN number of the car. These are not turned or unscrewed ever, and you can tell just by the way they look.
Yeah.
That's so clean.
So we did all the service completely. Spark plugs.
Did you check the VTEC? Does the
Everything.
VTEC, it
Yeah,
comes on and works?
And it'll kick in. It'll kick in.
It kicks in? Okay. All right.
I don't know if I can believe Avi on that one. God damn, this is beautiful.
It is. It's gonna be amazing.
So this is gonna be for our lucky winner, our pro membership winner. Also, by the way, that's in the US. But if you're not in the US, and I'm sick and tired of you guys saying, how can I not get a car? If you're not in the US and you win the giveaway, I'm just gonna give you $10,000 cash. What? Period. Fuck it. The same day we were giving.
I'm going to Canada.
I'm gonna give you $10,000 cash, but that means if you won and you're not in the US, you're not getting the car, and the car will go out on another giveaway. There you have it. So that it's fair for everyone that watches and everyone that's been supporting the channel. I appreciate the living shit out of you guys. And now look at what could be yours. I love the controllers on it.
There's two different versions.
Okay.
Well, obviously, this is AP1 and AP2.
This is AP1.
This is AP1.
Yeah, because he doesn't have the gold on the engine.
I tell you something. Just to find an unmolested S2000,
It was really hard, yeah. Everyone just rices them.
yeah, I was, because they're all modified exhaust, suspension, and
Steam right.
I have a really bad news for Avi. Avi, we're putting wheels on the car.
that's okay.
What
am I gonna do?
No, we're gonna put some swipe design wheels in here.
That's the original wheels.
And we're gonna keep the original wheels for the owner. Absolutely. God, this is. Can I sit in
The
it?
only thing we have left to do is
Yes.
I have to send the bottom out.
Okay.
See how the foam is done here
Yeah.
over the years.
Just redo the
Just
foam.
redo
You're
the
gonna
whole
refoam
thing.
your bottom?
Basically.
Well, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I love you.
Oh, there's a microphone right there for
I'm
YouTube
gonna remove
videos.
that out of there. It's ugly. But that's the unit, and the best part, see all these switches, the factory.
Yeah. So all of the factory switches work with the radio. Oh.
I love the switches over here on the
know.
It's so cool.
It's so cool. Before the Performante, before McLaren was doing it, the S2000 was doing it, guys.
Old school analog.
Old school analog shit. Literally, those numbers, even though they're digital, they look analog as fuck.
By the way, what's Avi
Awesome.
carrying in here? What's in the glove box that he's got? Should we open it?
Yeah, open it. Oh, yes, the factory wheel lock.
Wow.
That's where they're from.
Some badging problems.
I love these.
Wow, I know. The little glasses. What about the little pouches on the?
I didn't know. Look.
Look at these.
Did you know that's not?
Yeah,
you know that?
Yeah, it goes up and down.
This, there's two ways. Yeah, it goes up.
And is this automatic or manual?
No, it's automatic. So when you go up, it's pretty quick.
Oh shit! Watch out, Avi.
Lightning fast, dude.
Wow.
It's a glass.
Oh, and you can see through it on like older,
Yeah, some of
most
them,
older cars.
Early gen came
Yeah.
with plastic too.
Yep, that's
So
nice.
This is nice. Somebody changed it to glass.
To glass. Oh man. So what's the process now? What are you gonna do to the car?
Hopefully 4 days, 5 days.
4 days, 5 days. Then we can come back, drive it,
Everybody's
enjoy.
gone. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving,
Happy,
everybody. Everybody's gonna gain more
Happy
weight.
Thanksgiving. He's ready. He's getting
I saw
ready.
the video for the ninja stuff you guys did.
You got this. You got this. You got this. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Watch out.
You're coming next time, Avi.
Dude, no, I won't make it.
I mean, I went to the hospital
I think
because
you
of it.
did.
That video.
Are you serious?
I did. I
I
did.
thought he went to the hospital.
No, Aparja was fine, just bouncing around like crazy. I literally had to go to the hospital because I thought my stomach had ripped apart. Because I have a bad hernia that they closed years ago. And turns out like I have a little cyst in it and all that shit. Yeah,
That's why I don't
it's
do
bad.
that. I see it on TV, I get happy.
Hey.
I'm like, wow, cool, good for you. That's it. But that was hilarious.
Fergus, I got good news.
What's the good news?
Well, the good news you gave him to me about Puco Europe, right?
Yes. We spent a lot of time finding the right partner in Europe. We finally found it. And so I'm very excited that we're going to launch Puku Pals. I'm sorry, it's Puku.eu because we're about to scoop that up.
There you go.
All around the world. So Puku.eu is live for everyone in Europe.
Yeah, and also here's the bad news.
What's the bad news?
We just couldn't get you another ticket for the game, so you're just literally just driving us, and I'm so sorry. We tried, and Rodrigo's on the phone, and he is. We're heading right now to watch the Rams play against the Kansas City Chiefs. We love football, and I think this is going to be the Super Bowl ahead of time right now.
This is a Super Bowl preview.
Yeah.
Halfway through the season, these are definitely the two best teams.
Oh man, you got the youngest fucking guy, Patrick Mahomes, and then you have on the other side the other fucking young guy, Jared Goff. Both quarterbacks are incredible. Play is gonna be insane, and I almost never go to stadiums because I'm fucking paranoid of shit. But fuck it.
This one deserves it, and to also have the two best running backs in the league with Kareem Hunt
And Gurley.
and Todd Gurley.
How about you, Farshad? Who's your favorite? That was fucking insane. Whoa!
¿Dónde está? Con final feliz.
Con final feliz?
That's happy ending.
Yeah. Sí. Ah, sí. ¿Dónde está?
No, aquí no hay.
Ah, come on. ¿Dónde está?